Hello, my name is Ruth, and I would like to help you learn new words in English. Join me next for Hello Word Power on Hello Channel.
You're watching Hello Channel.
Hello, I'm Ruth Todd. Today we're learning words in English that begin with the letter U. U is a vowel. It makes two different sounds, either U or U or Are you ready to begin? Let's start. Under, under, under. Now you say it. Under. One more time. Under. That's correct. Under means below or less than. The water flows under the bridge. Under. Say it again. Yes, under. Understand. 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 Now you say it. Yes, understand. One more time. Understand. That's correct. Well done. Understand means to know what is meant or to have a knowledge of. The teacher was easy to understand. Math problems are often hard to understand. Understand. Say it again. Yes, understand. Unite. 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 Say it again. Unite. One more time. Unite. Well done. Unite means to join together. He had to unite two different teams for the tournament. Say it again. Unite. Yes. Well done. University. 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 Now you say it. University. Please repeat. University. One more time. University. Well done. A university is a place of education that includes several colleges. The university was crowded during the weekdays. The professor taught at the university. Say it again. University. Yes, that's correct. Until. 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 Now you say it. Until. One more time. Until. Well done. Until means only up to a certain time. We cannot play outside until the rain has stopped. Until. Us. 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 Now you say it. Us. One more time. Us. That's correct. Us is a form of the word we. It includes two or more people. They were waiting for us to leave. All of us were in the same class. Us. Say it one more time. Us. Well done. Use. 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 Now you say it. Use. Please repeat. Use. That's correct. Use means to employ for a certain purpose. I had to use the hammer to hang my picture on the wall. We use our sink to wash the dishes. Use. Say it again. Use. Well done. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Watch TV and learn English at the same time on Hello Channel.
Where's Tommy?
I thought he was with you.
No.
Jack!
Tommy?
Oh.
stop. Keep playing. Here we go. Here's the fun part.
Encouragement. Pass it on from the Foundation for a Better Life.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin.
Usual, usual, usual. Now you say it, usual. Again, usual. Well done. Usual means normal or common. Today was a usual day at work. The weather was sunny as usual. Usual. Say it again. Usual. Correct. Ugly. 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 Repeat with me. Ugly. Again. Ugly. Well done. Ugly means not at all attractive or nice to look at. The house looked old and ugly from far away. Ugly. Say it one more time. Ugly. That's correct. Unable. 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 Now you say it. Unable. One more time. Unable. Yes, well done. Unable means you cannot do something. The rescuer was unable to save the child from falling. He was unable to reach her in time. Say it again. Unable. Yes, unable. Unique. 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 Say it with me. Unique. Again, unique. Great job. Unique means it is the only one of its kind. She wore a unique bracelet on her wrist. Unique. Unkind. 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 Now you say it. Unkind. Again, unkind. Well done. Unkind means harsh or cruel. It is unkind to be angry with your neighbor. Say it again, unkind. Yes, well done. Unlock. 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 Repeat with me. Unlock. Again, unlock. One more time. Unlock. That's correct. Unlock has two meanings. Unlock means to open something with a key. He got his key to unlock the door. Unlock also means to solve. She was able to unlock the mystery and understand what happened. Say it one more time. Unlock. Well done. Urban. 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 Please repeat. Urban. Again. Urban. One more time. Urban. Well done. Urban means to do with or living in a city. The farming family had never lived in an urban part of the state before. Urban. Say it again. Well done. Up. 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 Now say it with me. Up. Again. Up. That's correct. Up means from a lower to a higher place. He decided to climb up the ladder. She stood up to see the parade better. Up. Say it with me. Up. Yes, correct.
We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Learn English at home. Just say hello.
I always loved my mother, but I remember one day I got really mad at her. When my dad got home, I knew I was in trouble. But instead of getting mad at me, he taught me a lesson I'll never forget. The ball I was throwing was damaging the fence. And my dad told me that harsh words can be even more destructive.
Life's most important lessons are best learned in the home.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin.
Upset, upset, upset. Now you say it, upset. One more time, upset. That's correct. Upset has several meanings. Upset means to make someone worried or nervous. The mother was very upset because she could not find her daughter. Upset also means to make someone feel ill. Too much sugar can upset your stomach. Upset. Say it with me, upset. That's correct. Urgent, urgent, urgent. Repeat after me, urgent. Again, urgent. That's correct. Urgent means very quick or immediate. The message was urgent and needed to be delivered now. Urgent. Say it again, urgent. Yes, well done. Used, used, used. Now you say it, used. Please repeat, used. Great job. Used means already made use of. They took the used cans to recycle them. We have already used all of the eggs. Used. Unsure, unsure, unsure. Now you say it, unsure. Again, unsure. One more time, unsure. Yes, well done. Unsure means not certain, not definite. We were unsure as to what we should do next. They are unsure what the best color is to paint the house. Say it again, unsure. Yes, unsure. Unfold, unfold, unfold. Repeat with me, unfold. Again, unfold. That's correct. Unfold means to open and spread out something that was folded. She had to unfold the map to see where we were going. Unfold. Utensil, utensil, utensil. Now you say it, utensil. One more time, utensil. Again, utensil. Well done. A utensil is a tool. It's often used for eating. The meal required 2 utensils, a fork and a spoon. Say it again, utensil. Well done. Until, until, until. Now you say it, until. Yes, again, until. Right, one more time, until. Well done. Until means up to a certain time or up to a certain event. The cast members practice until opening night. Or, I cannot make dinner until I buy some food at the market. Mary will not be 7 until her next birthday. Say it again, until. Yes, that's right. Update, update, update. Now you say it, update. Again, update. One more time, update. Yes, that's right. Update means to make something more modern or up to date. It means to make something current. The designer wants to update the look of the office lobby. The news reporter updates the facts of the story for the later news broadcast. Say it again, update. Yes, that's right. Good job. Well done. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.